I have an acronym for you. And the acronym is LOVE. And love for me stands for loving, open, vibrational energy. Because for me, love is an action. It is, yes, it is what we call a spiritual quality. It's an absolute. Love is just is. Love just is. But when we are embodying love, we are loving. We are in love in action. And when we're in love, and when we're giving love, and especially in these times of heartache, our hearts are open. We feel open. Remember this, as you sit here, everything's a vibration, everything is energy. So what vibration are you bringing when we're in love? Listen, there's only God, and everything is in God, but there's different polarity experiences of God. I say the high vibration is love, compassion, kindness. There's a lower vibration is fear, doubt, worry, hate, separation. We can choose to elevate the vibration, the loving energy.